how to make custom Bluesky art feed with Skyfeed. Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to make custom Bluesky art feed with Skyfeed. Alright, so let's begin. So if you want to create your own custom feed, you need to go to the site called Skyfeed app. So you're in Skyline. You want to make your own art feed and nothing makes sense. Don't worry, you just need to click this wrench icon. You're in the Skyfeed builder. Now you need to click on this tab. Now you need to create feed. Now you're taken to a sample feed where everybody has ever posted hello world. But you don't need that. You need to specify your own user. So pay attention to input. Now you have to click on entire network. Select single user, which is you. Now it will ask you for a user. Did you click on select yourself, and it will input your user. Now that you type your user did in the input, you probably see those errors, but don't worry about it. We just need to pick a new keyboard in regex. Now me personally, I selected image alt text as a target and put in illustration because I always type in illustration in alt text as a keyword and a descriptor. But you can select post text if that's what you put your keywords, it's up to you. So you put your keyword in. All the posts that include that keyword might show up in your preview. But what if some of your art posts don't include that keyword? What if you want to add some posts manually? While in that case, click on Add Block. You need to click Input. A new input block appears underneath your regex block. It says Entire Network, but instead of that, you need to pick a single post and it will ask you for a post link and you just paste the post link. And yeah, that is how you add an individual post to your feed. They must show up in the preview along with your keyword posts. You can add more of those single post inputs, but make sure they are always underneath the regex or else it will mess things up. So that's basically how you can make custom Bluesky art feed with Skyfeed. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.